Hey, hello! I wanted to share about the workshop this coming month, the end of July in the Netherlands. It's in Amsterdam, and you will start to experience your Kundalini and experience your relationship with others, being in groups, do sharings, and then you will experience also how to orgasm from the inside and to learn how to manifest what your life will be looking in the outside, right? So it's also about manifesting and learning about energies, about healing. It will be 3 full days where we explore everything about love and connection. You will get food, there will be a night stay over, and it's a beautiful price because it's not overpriced. So I really recommend come in this summer. If you don't go on holiday, you just come to me and you start to take control over your life, because the Kundalini will help you to take control over your life. Lots of love and see you in the workshop.